This is video number 7 and this video contains question number 6 to 10 of exercise 2.2. Hello everyone, I am CS Nagar and this is my video number 7. In this video, we will do remaining questions of exercise 2.2. But before this, we will see some trigonometric substitutions. Since you know that sin square theta which is 1 minus cos square theta or cos square theta which is 1 minus sin square theta. So, suppose in inverse trigonometric function, if we have a term suppose like this 1 minus x square or under root 1 minus x square, then we will put x is equal to sin theta or x is equal to cos theta. Suppose if you put x is equal to sin theta, in place of x if we write sin theta, then it will be 1 minus sin square theta, it means cos square theta. And same as if we put x is equal to cos theta, then we will get 1 minus cos square, it means sin square. Now, since sec square theta which is equal to 1 plus tan square theta and cosec square theta which is also 1 plus cot square theta. So, in our exercise, if 1 plus x square or under root 1 plus x square, if like this some inverse function, then once again in place of x, we will put x is equal to tan theta or x is equal to cot theta. Suppose if you put x is equal to tan theta, then it will be 1 plus tan square and this will be converted into sec square and same as in cot theta. Last one more, since tan square theta which is sec square theta minus 1 and cot square theta which is cosec square theta minus 1. So, in our inverse function, if there is a term suppose x square minus 1 or under root x square minus 1, when here we put x is equal to sec theta or x is equal to cosec theta. Suppose if we put x is equal to cosec theta, then term is like this, a cosec square theta minus 1 and cosec square theta minus 1, it will be cot square theta. Now, if suppose some term like this a square minus x square or under root a square minus x square. In this case, once again, we will put x is equal to a sin theta or x is equal to a cos theta. Suppose when we put x is equal to a sin theta, in place of x, write a sin theta. It means a square sin square theta. So, a square is common and 1 minus sin square theta and that is cos square theta. Same as here, 1 plus x square. In this case, put x is equal to a tan theta. When we put x is equal to a tan theta, it will be a square tan square theta. When a square is common out, then only in the bracket 1 plus tan square theta remaining and 1 plus tan square theta, that is sec square theta. Same as if there is a function like this x square minus a square. In this case, put x is equal to a sec theta or x is equal to a cosec theta. So, let us start our question number 6. In question number 6, we have to write in simplest form and our first question is tan inverse 1 upon under root x square minus 1. X square minus 1. So, let x is equal to suppose cosec theta. In place of x, write cosec theta. So, it will be cosec square theta minus 1 and cosec square theta minus 1, that will be cot square theta. Under root cot square theta, it means only cot theta and 1 upon cot, that is tan, and here tan inverse and tan both are cancelled out, only theta remaining. So, this is the simplest form, theta which is cosec inverse x. So, this is the simplest form. Now, next question number 7. Tan inverse under root 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Sorry, 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. 1 minus cos x, break into half the angle. So, it will be 2 times sin square x by 2 and 1 plus cos x. Once again break into half the angle. So, it will be 2 times cos square x by 2. Here 2 cancel out. Sin square upon cos square, that is tan square, and square root, taking square root, so it will be only tan x by 2. Once again here tan inverse and tan both are cancelled out, only x by 2 remaining. This is the simplest form. Now, next question number 8. Tan inverse cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x. In this question, from numerator common out cos x and from denominator also common out cos x. So, when we common out cos x from numerator, only 1 remaining from here, this is minus sign, and in this term cos x is not present, so write sin x upon cos x, and same as in its denominator. So cos x cancel out, 1 minus sin upon cos, that is 10, so 1 minus 10x upon 1 plus 10x. Now in denominator 1 plus 10x, write into 1, 10x into 1, and in place of this one write tan 45 degree here and also in numerator here. So tan pi by 4 minus 10x 1 plus tan pi by 4 into 10x. So it is like a formula, tan a minus b, tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a into tan b. So this is tan a minus b, and a which is tan pi by 4, and b it means only x. Tan inverse and tan cancel out, only pi by 4 minus x, which is simplest form. Now question number 9. Tan inverse x upon under root a square minus x square. So in this case, put x is equal to a sin theta. A transfer into left side, so x upon a sin theta, or theta is equal to sin inverse x upon a. Now in place of x write a sin theta, so tan inverse a sin theta upon under root a square minus in place of x a square sin square theta. First a square common out, so only 1 minus sin square theta remaining, and 1 minus sin square theta, that is cos square theta. A square and cos square theta taking square root, so only a cos theta remaining. Here a cancel out, sin theta upon cos theta, that is tan theta. Now tan inverse and tan both are cancel out, only theta remaining, and last step in place of theta write sin inverse x upon a. This is our simplest form. Now question number 10, which is homework for you. In this question, once again we have to write simplest form. So tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube whole upon a cube minus 3a x square. In this question, once again you put x is equal to a tan theta and solve same as question number 9. So okay, thank you guys.